Click on solid part. First part of ram's bottom safety valve is body. Details of body are here. There is a typical procedure to create this body. The procedure is as follows. First select sketch command. Select front reference plane. First we need to create this U shape. Total height of this body is 425. So this height it is of 425 minus this 200 minus this 55. So take line command, draw vertical line at origin, length equals to 425 minus this 200 minus this 55, that is equals to 170 as the length, angle as 90. Put it, right click up the mouse. Here is dimension 100 on this side, again 100 on this side. So use offset command. Offset this line on this side to the distance of 100. Again this line on this side to the distance of 100. Put it. Here is arc of radius 100. So take arc by center. Center point of the arc is this. Starting end of the arc is this. Radius is 100. Sweep the arc in this direction till to this end. Put it. Now use select tool. Select and delete this vertical line. Click on return. Click on finish. Put it. Again take sketch command. Select top XY plane. Put it. Here is diameter 75. So take circle by center. Draw a circle of diameter 75. Place it at this end. Again at this end. Right click up the mouse. Here is thickness as 12 mm on this side. Again that is 12 mm on this side also. So take again circle by center. Enter the diameter as 75 plus 12 mm on one side plus 12 mm on another side. It is of diameter 99. So place it at this end. Again at this end. Right click up the mouse. Click on return. Click on finish. Put it. We need to create the parallel plane at this distance. So use parallel plane. Click on this top XY plane. Move the mouse pointer till to this end or vertex. Its distance is 170. So click at this vertex. You will get parallel plane. So now again take sketch command. Select the created plane. Put it. Here is diameter 62. So take circle by center. Enter diameter as 62. Place it at this end. Again at this end. Right click up the mouse. Thickness is 12 mm here. Again 12 mm on this side. So take again circle by center. Enter the diameter as 62 plus 12 mm thickness on one side plus 12 mm thickness on another side. Its diameter equals to 86. So place it at this end. Again at this end. Right click up the mouse. Click on return. Click on finish. Put it. Now use swept protrusion. Click here and select the swept protrusion. It should be multiple paths and cross sections. Click on OK. First select this U shape. Click on this U shape and then click on this right mark. Click on next. Then go ahead with selecting outer circles. So this circle, again this circle, and then this circle. Click on preview, finish it, fit it. To create this portion, use revolve protrusion command. Click here and select revolve protrusion command. Select right YZ plane, fit it. We need to create only this much portion of this sketch. So here is distance as 200 from here to here. So distance from here to here it is of 100. Again from here to here it is of 100. So take line command, draw vertical line from this end downward as 100 mm, angle as -90. Right click of the mouse. Here is arc of radius 37.5. So take arc by center. Center point of the arc is this. Enter radius as 37.5. Click on this vertical line. Sweep the arc in this direction. Tilt to the sweep angle as 90. Click here. Then take line command. Draw downward vertical line from this end. Again 100 mm. Angle as -90. Fit it. Here is diameter 100. So draw horizontal line of length 100 divided by 2, angle as 180. From this end again draw horizontal line of length. Here is diameter 250 and here is 100. Take the difference between 250 and 100 divided by 2. So draw horizontal line of length 250 minus 100 divided by 2, that is of length 75, angle as 180. Then here is dimension 25. So draw vertical line of length 25, angle as 90. Again draw horizontal line of say this much, around 75 mm. Then right click of the mouse. Then from this end draw a line of any inclination and any length. Just connect from this end to this end. Then right click of the mouse, select and delete all these dimensions. Here is thickness as 12 mm. So use offset command. Keep this as chain only. Offset this to the distance of 12 on this side. Then right click of the mouse. Use trim command. Trim this unwanted extension, this extension. Then trim this extension portion of the line, and then this much line, and then this horizontal line. Use axis of revolution. Click on this vertical line, fit it. Click on return. Enter angle as 360. Click in the screen, finish it, fit it. Here is cutout of arc of 37.5 and diameter as 100 here to here. So take revolved cutout, select right YZ plane, fit it. So draw vertical line of 100 from this end to this, angle as -90. Again downward of 100, angle as -90. Then here is diameter 100. So draw horizontal line of length 100 divided by 2, that is a 50, angle as 180. then right click of the mouse, take arc by center. Here is arc of radius 37.5, so center of the arc is this, enter radius as 37.5, click on this vertical line, sweep arc in this direction, tilt to the sweep angle as 90, click here, then take line command, draw line of any length from this end to this end, say this much, right click of the mouse, use trim command, trim this unwanted extension of the line, then use axis of revolution, click on this line, click on return, enter angle as 360, click in the screen, finish it, fit it. To make this as hollow tube, so use swept cutout. It should be multiple paths and cross sections. Click on OK. First select this U shape, then click on this right mark, click on next. Now go ahead selecting the inner circles, this circle, and then inside circle this, and then this circle, and then at the last this circle. Click on preview, click on finish, fit it, rotate and see. Do named view as ISO, fit it. To create this portion, use protrusion command, select this face, fit it. Here is diameter 115, so take circle by center, enter diameter as 115, place it at this end, again at this end, click on return, enter distance as 55, click in the screen, finish it, fit it. Here is hole with G3 thread, so select hole command, select this face, fit it, click on hole options, type is threaded, click on thread, scroll down and select G3. Here is G3, select it, click on finite extent, enter hole depth as 55, click on OK, place it at this end, again at this end, click on return, click in the screen, click on finish, fit it. Here is a round of R24, so rotate in this way, right click of the mouse, use round command, select this edge, again this edge, enter radius as 24, press the enter button of keyboard 3 times, again rotate in this way. Here is a round of R12, so use round command, select edge protrusion 6, again here edge protrusion 6, enter radius as 12, press the enter button of keyboard 3 times, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it. Here is round of R12, so use round command, select this edge, again this edge, enter radius as 12, press the enter button 3 times, fit it. Here are 6 holes of diameter 21 equi-spaced on pitch circle of diameter 200, so take cutout command, select this face, fit it. Here is pitch circle diameter 200, so take line command. From this center, draw horizontal line of length 200 divided by 2, that is of 100 mm, angle as 0. Right click of the mouse. Here is hole diameter as 21, so take circle by center, enter diameter as 21, place that circle at this end of the line, then use select tool, select and delete this horizontal line, click on return. So move the mouse pointer downward to any distance, say around this much, click in the screen, finish it, fit it, rotate and see. Right click of the mouse, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, use pattern command. Here is pattern, so use pattern command, rotate and select that cutout. Right click of the mouse, select this cutout, then click on this right mark, click on this surface, fit it, so click at the center, enter the radius as 100 mm, so enter counts as there are 6 holes, so enter count as 6, press the enter button, click here and arrow mark in this direction, click on this circle, click on return, click on finish, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, to create this portion, select protrusion command, select right YZ plane, fit it. Here is rectangle of width 64, height 25, so take rectangle command, enter width as 64, height as 25, place rectangle here, then angle as 0, use move command, select this entire rectangle, select the midpoint of this line, place it at the origin, say at this end, click on return. Here you have to take symmetric extent, so click on symmetric extent, click on symmetric extent and then click on through next. Move the mouse pointer till to indicate 2 red arrow marks, so move mouse pointer in this way till to indication of these 2 red arrow marks, click in the screen, finish it, fit it. Here is square cutout of 20, so use cutout command, select this face, face protrusion 7, fit it, take rectangle command, enter width as 20, height as 20, angle as 0, place here, use line command, locate the center of this square, then use select tool, select this entire, use move command, select the midpoint of this horizontal line, place it at origin, then use trim command, trim this horizontal line, click on return, enter distance as 25, click in the screen, finish it, fit it, rotate and see, fit it, use rotate command, rotate in this way, then right click of the mouse. Here is projection of thickness 12 mm, so use protrusion command. Select this surface, fit it. Here is diameter 100, so take line command, draw horizontal line of length 100 divided by 2, angle as 180, right click of the mouse. So now take rectangle, so distance from here to here it is of width it is of 250 divided by 2 minus 100 divided by 2, that is of 75 mm, height as 12 mm, angle as 0. Place the rectangle here, use select tool, select this entire rectangle, use move command, select the midpoint of this vertical line, place it at the end of this 50 mm line, then select and delete this 50 mm line, click on return. Here you have to click on through next, red arrow mark upward, click in the screen, finish it, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it. Here is cutout of radius 65, so take cutout command, select front reference plane, fit it. So take arc by 3 points, first point is this, second point is this, enter radius as 65, place the third point here, then use line command, close this profile by drawing line of horizontal and then vertical of any length up to this end, then right click of the mouse, click on return, then click on symmetric extent, enter distance as 12, click in the screen, finish it, rotate and see. Then do named view as ISO, fit it, go to the tools, click on edge bar, use select tool, select this protrusion 10 and then cutout, click on mirror copy feature, give mirror copy feature about this right YZ plane, click on OK, click on smart, click on preview, click on finish, fit it, close this, click in the screen, fit it, rotate and see. Then do named view as ISO, fit it, go to the file, save as part 1, body, save it.